Nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Tinga kiechio nigo abawakiri korwa sense moye kiombeke wachoride chimbebe IEBC aba kumwigerero munyakirogo obye kiombeke wafula chebukati na watayona nigo ikiraneti emirimo yaye buna ebwenerete akobwatia richiko lya katiba yense ya Kenya nigo boigo batawune mirobero yonsi akorwa se kiombeke wachoride chimbebe IEBC nigo yaikiranete koirera obochori obwo gukorekana asenchera ere yobwasyoku ayo manaenda mange nigo twarganira numurikeito Josephat Amisi.
Ritukoneria kabire ekero ekigambero ekinarigense ya Kenya Supreme Court kigenda tukobage gotegerera ekina gyogotanchirana no bochori bwanya tukobo korekana ense ya Kenya bono nigo abanongeri bekiombekeria kyo bochori ne chimbe IBC banyara ko bagwesokia na goteba ekiombekyo nigo yakorete emiremo ere emekirano.
As we sit here this morning, there are no less than 3 governors addressing you, elected under this election. There are no less than 4 senators elected under this election. And there are no less than 4 members of parliament elected under this election. When, my lords, it is not in my place to suggest the questions you should put to council, but I would plead with you to put that question to council when they return to the podium. Are they happy with their own election? If they are, how then is it that this election is irredeemably flawed? I suggest with tremendous respect that that is the use of hyperbole.
Omonogeri Kamau Karuri boigo niganyareko bagakoenekia bene buna emiremo ye commission iyo ya IBC no koeneke ngobochori banyareko baboko ba asenjero boikiranu na boigo amachip konyareko bagakobwatukwa anene no munyakirogo bekiombe ekyo kyo bochori ne chimbebe IBC wafula chebukati.
This gentleman is the returning officer, national returning officer for purposes of the presidential election. And so the issue of him styling himself, my lords, does not arise. And it just shows you the levels to which the chairman has been unfairly vilified in a situation where the law is quite clear.
Omonogeri mahati samane nigo wanyara koba gakobeka bene igoro ya chifomu chiriche 34A na voigo na 34B nigo janyara koba chigo tomwa ase enchirebo ikiranu wetera ase mitandao na voigo koene kiabuna janyara koba chikoba nebiorokerelio bidio byanyara koba bikobekwa bene amane kiombe kyoba chorine chimbebe IBC
amended it, return it. I am telling you, all my forms have a date and time stamp to the millisecond. And there is no one form that has been transmitted at the same time. And in fact, if you look at the portal, you will see that. You open the portal, if you look at the tab of the portal, it will say 34A. It will tell you the polling station. It will tell you the KIM serial. It will tell you the date the form came. And how precise is this system? Some of those forms came on the date of the election. Some of the forms, because of tallying, came a day later. Some of them came 2 days later because of the elections in Eldas. And it will give you the time stamp to the millisecond.
Koripoterian Ndizi TV, Eriterane Josephat Amisi.